Let's read some words together. They'll all have this sound. Do you recognize this sound? Right, it's oi. When the ah and the y are beside each other like this, it makes the oi sound. So let's look at these pictures and we'll find the words that go with them. What does this say? B-oi. Boy. So we'll put it with the picture of the boy. What does this say? Convoy. Convoy. Yeah, let's put it with the picture of the convoy. And what does this say? Yeah, sound it out. Joystick. 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 Right, that's a long one. Where does that go? Yeah. And what does this say? Oi. Oi. Soy. So we'll put it there. Let's try with some more words with the oi sound. What does this say? R-oi-al. R-oi-al. Royal. Right, where does that go? Yeah. And what does this say? B-el-b-oi. Bellboy. Yeah, we'll put that with the picture of the bellboy. And what does this say? Destroy. Destroy. Right, we'll put that there. And what does this say? Toy. Toy. Right. Thanks so much for coming to learn all these words with the oi sound with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.